In this test, we'll be evaluating the create game menu and how it gets the inputs of the civilization choice username, and how we manage any clashes with the civilization, and how it starts, and how we use this information and it's passed through into the game. So we can see when we start it up, we load in, we've got this UI, we've got the return, we've got these two drop downs which are used, and we've got the user inputs, all good for the players to put their usernames. Now we can see that currently we got the American selected and we've got England selected, and this is important because we can see in here England is not an option here, so it means we cannot get the duplicate civilization, and same here, there's no America. And this is interesting because when we change to should we say Russia, England is no longer selected but Russia is selected, so we should be able to find England in this set. And we can see England's here, and we can see Russia is no longer in the options. This is preventing the any clashes, and we can do the same here. We can see America was deselected, and we can now see China is no longer there. And we can do this as many times as we like. France should no longer be there. It's just not there. If we choose Spain, then China should be here. And we can see there's no Spain, and this works good. So, and these also pass through the materials for each player, and we should be able to see this when we start a game. But firstly, we can put in some usernames. Let's just put Dylan, and we can put Bob, and we should be able to see that it will pass through the name and it will pass through the materials. One important thing, we should be able to return, and it should be able to store these values. Since we can return, if we press play, we can see these are stored. This is because we may want to create this game. We meant to choose our civilization, but we realized we might want to change the options. So we can change our options, return, and these are all still the same. And now this should be able to pass through. We should be able to have a Spanish material, and we should have the Aztec color. And it should be Dylan, and we should have Bob. And we can see here, we can see Dylan, and we've now got the Aztec, which is a nice purple, and we've now got Spain, and it's all working perfectly.